What's up, YouTube? It's Cap City Land, back with another video, and I wanted to give y'all an update on Project X today. And a little bit of time, I spent a little bit of time yesterday. I was doing some cleaning up of the bottom, like I sanded some spaces down, I scraped some excess rust off, and did a little bit of not rust removal, but some undercoating of the bottom, and also coating of put a coat of paint on the trailer hitch. As you can see, trailer hitch was rusty, a common problem with all trucks and SUVs, you know, in the northern part of the United States, or here in Ohio especially. See, I gotta get that fixed. But anyway, let's take a look at the bottom. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I did do a little bit. I started from the back, and I'm kind of working my way up front to the harder parts of the vehicle. Well, as you can see, what I did was I did spray like a rust barrier by Duplicate Color. Well, I ain't trying to get them no promotion or anything like that. I'm not affiliated with them by any sorts, but did spray some rust barrier on top. There's other different brands and whatnot, but I went to AutoZone, and that's probably the only other brand that they have. As you can see on the bottom, the drive shaft and everything, sprayed the drive shaft. Did the base of the actual body, I did with some body undercoating. It's rubberized undercoating. It's protectant, and it also doubles as a sound deadening material. It's not really too much sound deadening. I've done it before. I've had a old 83 Pontiac, excuse me, that I had at Pontiac Bonneville, that I did the whole bottom on, and I went a little bit more in depth with that one. I did have to do some body work on it. As you can see over here, this will need some rocker panels, and I'm probably gonna try to hold out from through the winter time to get them done. But it just all depends on me. Knowing me, I'm kind of a stickler about stuff like that, so I may end up just getting it done soon. As you can see, I did not, however, paint the transfer case. I'm gonna leave that bare. But yeah, this is the bottom of it. Let's take a look at the rear axle. I sprayed the whole rear axle with the rust barrier. Gas tank cover, I sprayed on the gas tank cover. What I did with that is I put some rust barrier, one coat of rust barrier, and then I followed it. Well, I did actually 2 coats of rust barrier, and then I followed up with a coat of undercoating over top of it. But yeah, this is the beginning of the beginning as far as Project X 2001 Excursion from Cap City Land. Stay tuned to the next video. Got some more, got a couple mods I'm gonna add to it, a couple updates, so stay tuned to see what I got in store for it. Like I said, it's a project, you know, and it's all about the process. You know, the process of going through it will always reward a good outcome. All right, be blessed, have a good one, peace out.